and all time.
Good afternoon, America. Live from Sun and Fun, the Big Freeze in northern New England, coastal southern Maine on this wild Wednesday. This is Frank Margell, January 3rd, 2018. And if you haven't heard from me yet, Happy New Year's, America, as I have been getting out and about the last 10 days or so filming what is a hardcore winter right here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine. Yes, the latter part of 2017 during the Christmas holiday, well into New Year's, and now we're in the first week of 2018. This is a freelance video, and you will find it on the World Wide Web. Thank you very much for all the upbeat comments and shares, and I do respond to your comments and views from time to time. Thank you very much. Please remember that I'm out here in the public domain sharing my comments and views with you. So I appreciate it when you send me a comment that you indeed keep it upbeat and clean. Well, here we are at the world famous Stroudwater waterfalls next to the Four River Bird Sanctuary in Maine's largest city, Portland, Maine. It's about 31 degrees, and that's a heat wave on the index, I'll tell you, because we have been experiencing sub-zero wind chill temperatures, sometimes getting down below 15 degrees below zero at night. But go ahead and check your facts when I get out and about here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine. These are just my comments and views. So if you want to check your facts like I do regarding at least the weather, you can go to the National Weather Service. I don't speak for them, but I do like their website. It's wicked cool, and I use it to keep me updated, pardon me, on all the fascinating weather facts right here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine. So what's going on here in the coastal southern Maine area? Well, if you haven't heard, we are under a blizzard warning. That's right. Several coastal flooding advisories, and the wind could pick up and increase to 50 miles per hour during Thursday. So you might want to go ahead and check your facts at the National Weather Service. Once again, I'm not affiliated with them, but what we are looking at is blizzard conditions starting tomorrow, Thursday, and it's going to start snowing around 7 a.m. in the morning, and it's going to pick up and snow well into the evening. We may see some light flurries this Wednesday evening, and we may see some more snow on Friday. With that wind picking up to near 50 miles per hour, it is going to be blizzard conditions, wind chills, very cold, and very hazardous. And again, we're also looking at the possibility of some minor coastal flooding. Yeah, right here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine. What a winter it has been. And we're just a couple of weeks into winter, and it may soon be one for the record books. But I'll keep you posted on that. This is Frank Margell on this wild Wednesday. Northern New England, coastal southern Maine. Oh, we're about 20 past 2 in the afternoon. Mild conditions right now, and it's kind of hard to imagine just within 24 hours we could see as much as 6 to 12 inches of snow right here in Stroudwater, next to Maine's largest city, Portland, Maine. Look, you have a great Maine day no matter where you are in the free world. I'll keep you posted. You take care. Thanks again for all the upbeat comments and shares and subscribing to my web pages. You have a great Maine day at the Stroudwater Bird Sanctuary in Maine's largest city. This is Frank Margell. You take care. And no matter where you are in the free world, I'll keep you posted once again. Thank you to all those who serve Northern New England, coastal Southern Maine, these communities, the state of Maine, and the United States of America. You take care. And stay warm. And I'll try to get out and about tomorrow and film some of the snowfall and conditions as they arise. This is Frank out.
And all the time.